Alright, nice family. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. And it is a smoky day in Portland, Oregon. We had a week straight of no fire, smoke fire, wildfire smoke. Now we got the wind decided to push the smoke west instead of keeping it east. So we got to deal with it right now. The sun is blocked out. It's not as bad as other parts of the state, but it is. You know, you can smell it in the air. It smells kind of funky. You know? I'm tired as hell. There we go. This is my first kind of wildfire, you know? Ain't really much, but it's something. When I first moved here, Idaho had a wildfire, but it wasn't really big as this one is, because this one is within the state, and Oregon has way more trees to burn and green to burn than Idaho. Idaho really don't have much. It's like pretty dry in Idaho and hilly. So, hey, holy crap, that 10 cents off. Let's do that. I'm only putting $10 in it because I'm a broke boy. But gas been going up and down lately. Yesterday it was like $4.59. Today is $4.40-something. So that's always a good thing. I'm not sure with gas ever get below $4. Who knows out here? But yeah, I'm sure you got the sky real quick. Alright, look at that. Like the sun looked just like a little ball. Not that bad, you know. It just looked like an overcast day outside. If you walk outside, you'd be like, damn, it's overcast. A little smoggy morning, you know. But nah, it ain't that. But yeah, man. Also, I'm going to the beach tomorrow, so you guys can get a beach trip. Wednesday and Thursday. I'm gonna come back Friday. I want to avoid the heat because it's supposed to be around like 37 degrees Celsius, around 98 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's pretty hot, you know. So I want to avoid that at all costs. Because last time I was in this heat, I didn't like it, bro. Doing Instacart when it's hot outside sucks, dude. It sucks. Because you gotta just sit in your car, run your AC, get out, try to wear the least amount of clothes possible. Sucks, dude. It sucks. Anyway, dude. Yeah, dig it, boy. This black man sitting in the car while his white woman pumped the gas. There's some Portland stuff for you, bro. A lot of men out here are feminine and it's weird. But yeah, man. Hey, we ain't judging, baby. We ain't judging, baby. Hey, let's get today started. Wildfire day, wildfire night in the building. Let's go. All right. So I just popped up in Fred Meyer, obviously, because I'm doing Instacart. I actually got my rank up on Instacart lately, dude. I'm platinum status now instead of gold. I'm a somebody now. I'm the second person to see orders, so that's a good thing. That's a good thing, bro. I'm happy about that. Also, I got my rating up when it comes to shopper quality. My shopper quality is no longer at need work. My shopper quality is at good. It says good now, so that's good. And I'm able to see good orders now, and I'm actually be profitable. And also, I just banged out on a couple parlays lately. Without gambling, I know a lot of you guys might say gambling and sports betting is stupid. It's not responsible. But trust me, guys. Sports, gambling, sports picks help me out a lot in life. And it's still helping me out. I lose a lot, but I win a lot more money than I lose. So I might lose $20 to $40 in 1 week. But at the end of the month, not the end of the month, I'm sure they're not for you guys. I might lose $20 to $40 in 1 week, but at the end of the week, as long as I'm profiting more than $50 out of I lose, that's good, bro. And most months I profit around $500 to $1,000, not that big, because I don't have money to bet like $300 parlays, $50 parlays, $250 parlays, and things like that. And baby steps, you know, baby steps. But I'm gonna start getting serious on it. Once a month, I'm gonna start doing not once a month, but once a week. I'm gonna start doing $100 four-mans once a week. It's gonna be on a not a Friday. It's gonna be on a Thursday or a Sunday or a weekend or whatever, dude. Drop $100 on a four-man and that bangs out. Hey, that's $1,000. So you can't go wrong with that. So I just pulled up in the store, about to get some milk for my cookies. I bought some cookies yesterday. I'm about to get the big thing of milk. Even though it's bad for you. Whole milk bad. All this Kroger stuff bad for you. Everything, I'll say over 90% of items on this aisle is not good for you. Over 90%. And that says something about America. That is wild, G. That is wild. But yeah, man, I'm putting you guys down before I get in trouble by the store manager. He talked to me about last year about it. Not vlogging in the store. No videos. But how my mustache looking? Do I need to shape it up some more? I don't know. I've been doing this thing for like a few months. I still can't figure it out. It's weird. Let me know how the mustache looking. Let's get today started. Wildfire night in the building, you heard me? Let's get this thing started, baby. So I just got finished doing Instacart, made about $126 today, popping up on the screen, bing bing bow, there you see. But hey, I've been safeguarding and gatekeeping this restaurant, this Fuzz Spot. It's in Beaverton, Oregon, by the way, aka Hillsboro slightly. Hey, for Hoya, one of the best pho restaurants I tried in America, and is the best pho restaurant in the Portland metro area, in my opinion. It's one of my spots to go to. I got two pho spots, one down in Tiger on Barrows in the shopping plaza, and here. This is my favorite spot in Oregon. Haven't found anything that beats this or rivals this. So hey, let's see what's up. You know, favorite spot. Hello, can I do a to-go P3 large?
Yeah, of course.
All right, thank you. Alright guys, I made it in the gym, and this gym is packed right now, bro. I swear to God. I never see this many people in the gym before, and I'm on a bench, like this kind of bench right here, and I'm about to do arms and shoulders. So I'm gonna have to support my own self on this bench just to do my curls and biceps and triceps and shoulders, things like that. Bro, every machine is taken. I hate it when it's like this. This is why I come to the gym at 8 o'clock, because anytime before 8, I'll say around 4 to 7:30, the gym is packed. But around 8 and after that, the gym is cool. You can find a spot. But other than that, terrible, bro. Terrible. Hey, let's get these skinny arms bigger. Head to the beach tomorrow. Got an oil change schedule and things like that. I'm gonna try to get you guys some footage of me working out. They got volleyball going on. Freaking dope, you know? So I'm not gonna be playing basketball today. Not gonna be playing basketball because they got volleyball going on all the way until 9:30. So Tuesdays, days I just work out and go home. But hey, let me get this workout in, baby. Let's go. I just got finished doing some biceps. Did a little shoulders. I'm gonna do like 2 more sets. After that, I'm gonna do some triceps. I'm gonna go over to the machine. And if it's not busy, I'll get some footage for you guys. But hey, look at the pump, baby. Look at the pump, boy. Looking beefy but skinny at the same time, you know. But hey, I'm gonna finish this out. I'm gonna do some shoulder presses over on the squat rack. You use the barbell for that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, guys. If you did, please thumbs it up, subscribe to the channel, want to see more videos from me, of course. And right now, as I'm doing this voiceover, I am at Seaside Beach Night, Seaside Night, Cannon Beach Night, Beach Bay D Night in the building. You heard me? I'm out here, you heard me? Next 2 to 3 videos gonna be D Nizzle on the beach, stepping on the beach, stepping on the beach, looking ass boy. And I'm over here laughing in the video right here, cause this dude was making mad noise, bro. When he was shadow box, he was like, he was sounding so funny, bro. Like, you know how when you shadow box and you make that noise and it sounds kind of cool, but he was sounding so pant, like he was panting. If I'm saying the word right, dude, I was just smiling, bro. This shit was too funny, dude. Too funny. Hey, Skinny Boy Night, Skinny Boy Flex. We're in the building, you know. More videos coming along the way. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, thumbs it up, subscribe to the channel, want to see more videos from me, of course. Hey, dude, share the video, run the web, find you entertaining. Car camping night back in the building. I'm gonna be car camping for 2 days. Seaside. Love you guys. I'm out. Peace.